Welcome. Here we design and build humanoid robots with precision. Let me show you the assembly line. I'm a robotics manufacturing engineer, and today I'll show you how humanoid robots are built from raw materials to finished machines. Every humanoid robot begins as raw steel, forged for precision and strength. Aluminum alloys arrive next, forming the lightweight structure of our humanoids. Careful with that one. Lid's off, motors look good. Calibrating proximity sensors now. Vision module alignment is good, transferring to loader. Sensors are calibrated to perfection, enabling robots to perceive and interact accurately. Slicing this sheet now. Lifting to molding area. Tiny microchips drive massive intelligence inside each humanoid. Tray A12, verified. This pallet's ready for assembly. The journey of each humanoid begins as steel sheets are carefully loaded for transport. Copper coils are secured for transport, destined for precision wiring in humanoids. Labels are confirmed, ready to load. All right, bring it forward. Crate is packed and secure. Check the inventory. Straps are secure. Hydraulic systems, providing strength and motion, are on their way to the facility. Labels confirmed, secure to load. Straps tight, ready for transport. Vision sensors, all labeled. Proximity and touch modules secured. Synthetic skin sheets, giving lifelike texture, are carefully transported to molding stations. Lid secured, moving to labeling. Labels on, pushing to pallet. Good, load the truck. Tiny microchips, the core intelligence, are transported with absolute care. The factory stands as a hub of precision engineering, ready to transform raw materials into humanoid robots. Every delivery is meticulously logged as materials enter the production facility. Forklift 2, move that steel pallet to ramp B. Copy, moving to ramp B. Watch the overhead clearance. Ready on the hook. Check the label, confirm weight. Secured on the pallet. Servo motors, the joints of humanoids, move closer to their future assembly. 150 screws, check. Moving this pallet to the conveyor. Aluminum ingots are sorted to ensure precision and structural consistency. Battery cells are inspected to guarantee safe and efficient energy storage. This one's clear. Moving to stack. Synthetic skin is inspected, ensuring flawless coverage for humanoid exteriors. With all materials cleaned and sorted, the factory is ready for the heart of production, core processing. Check alignment on the left frame. Sparks are good, keep feet steady.
Sensitivity adjusted, proceed to alignment. Alignment good, sending to storage.
Surface is looking smooth. Yeah, keep the pressure even. Copper wiring forms the circulatory system of the humanoid. Servo motors are mounted, granting the robot its range of motion. Hydraulics provide strength and fluid motion to the humanoid. Synthetic skin is applied to give each humanoid a lifelike surface. Polymers are molded into exteriors, shaping the humanoid's lifelike appearance. Radiator seated correctly. Fan aligned, moving to conveyor. Tray clear, pushing now. Aligning the shaft now. Torque is set. Plastic exteriors are shaped and applied to create the humanoid's outer shell. Synthetic skin is applied to give each humanoid a lifelike surface. Joints are lubricated to ensure smooth, precise movement. Glass and acrylic panels shield delicate components while maintaining clarity. Glass and acrylic panels shield delicate components while maintaining clarity. Microchips are positioned, forming the humanoid's computational core.
Cooling systems are installed to maintain optimal performance.
Tension's good here. Alignment looks right. Next set ready. Humanoids enter automation stations to calibrate every motor and joint. Each humanoid executes program motion sequences for operational testing. Joint friction is finely tuned to optimize movement precision. Balance and posture are calibrated to enable stable movement. Nudge complete. Stability at 98%. Weight tolerance testing confirms strength and stability. Alignment complete, all sensors green.
Data verified, passing to final assembly.
Humanoids advancing to finish line. Software is debugged, ensuring each robot functions as intended. Humanoids proceed to precision and finishing stations. Exteriors are polished for a flawless appearance. Cameras and mics are in, LEDs are green.
Copy that. Panels next.
Accessories are installed to complete the humanoid's functionality. Synthetic skin receives final touches for a natural appearance. Synthetic skin receives final touches for a natural appearance. Once manufacturing is complete, humanoid robots are ready to perform many different tasks, working together across industries with precision, strength, and adaptability. Once manufacturing is complete, humanoid robots are ready to perform many different tasks, working together across industries with precision, strength, and adaptability. And this is how modern factories produce humanoid robots, from precision engineering to real-world deployment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the humanoid robot factory.